Hello guys, today I am going to discuss with you most important inbuilt visual of Power BI, that is KPI. In this session we will understand what is KPI, why we need KPI and what KPI does in Power BI, and also we will write the DAX formula to calculate the KPI percentage in Power BI. So let's start from KPI definition. KPI means key performance indicator, and it is used to track the performance of achievement sales as per assigned target periodically in form of percentage and values. Now I will show you how KPI works. Suppose I am interested to see the performance of achievement and target for year 2010. So for that I select year 2010 from year slicer, and you can see here KPI visual showing some values in red color with negative percentage sign. So that means this year I not achieved my target and I lose my target with minus 87.5 percentage. Now I'm going to select year 2012. So you can see here KPI showing values with green color and positive percentage sign. So that means this year I achieved my target with plus 20 percentage. Now I'm going to select year 2016. So you can see here again it is showing values as in red color with negative percentage sign. So that means this year I not achieved my target and I lose my target with minus 40 percentage. So this is the advantage of KPI visuals, and you can track the performance of your achievement and target periodically. Same thing we will implement as in practical. So let's move to the practical file. So you can see this is my practical page, and here I am using sales data set, and under that data set I have three columns. One is year, second is target, and third one is achievement, and this one is my year slicer. Now I'm going to drag KPI visuals in my report page. So for that I go to the visualization tab, and you can see here this is KPI visuals. So double click to KPI visuals. Now move to the KPI visuals next to the year slicer and increase the size of KPI visuals. KPI visuals support three fields. One is indicator, second one is trend axis, and third one is target goals. So in target goals we will drag our target column. In trend axis we will drag our year column because we want to see performance year wise, and in indicator column we will drag our achievement column, right? So go to the field section, and I'm using sales data set. Now I'm going to drag year column as in trend axis, and achievement column as in indicator section, and target column in target goal section. And now I want to increase font size for better visibility. So for that I go to the format bar, and you can see here indicator means achievement. If you want to increase the font size for your achievement value, so you can set from here. And now I want to increase font size for target. So here goes mean target. So I want to increase font size for target value. So I make it 15 pixel, and then also I want to increase font size for year. So date means trend axis. So here I am using year as a trend axis. So for year I increase font size 15 pixel, right? And also I want to enable border for KPI visual. So from here I select gray color. So you can see here now my KPI card has been ready. Always remember one thing here, if you are working with KPI visuals, by default KPI will display latest target and achievement values. So you can see here it is showing 1,60,000, goal is 1,40,000, year is 2020. What is this? This is my latest target and achievement data. By default it will display latest data. So you can see here in data set for year 2020, target was 1,40,000 and achievement was 1,60,000. So you can see here in KPI it is showing 1,60,000. That is my achievement, and goal means target, and target is 1,40,000, and year is 2020, right? It is showing 1,60,000 as in green color. So that means I achieved target for year 2020 because target was 1,40,000. So that's why it is showing achievement as in green color, and 2020 is here, right? So hope you clear about all three values. We will discuss percentage part later, right? Now I'm going to select year 2010. So you can see here it is showing values as in red color and percentage as in negative. So that means, so for year 2010 I not achieved my target. So you can see here is 2010, target is 8 lakh and achievement is 1 lakh, right? So achievement is 1 lakh, so that's why it is showing achievement as in red color, because this year I not achieved my target. And goal means target, and target is 8 lakh, right? And year is 2010. Now I'm going to select year 2012. So you can see here for year 2012 it is showing values as in green color, so that means for year 2012 I achieved my target, because target was 1 lakh and achievement was 1 lakh 20,000, right? So that's why it is showing me achievement as in green color. So hope you clear about all three values. Now I'm going to discuss with you percentage formula for KPI, right? So you can see here, this is percentage formula for KPI. Achievement minus target divided by target multiply 100, right? Now I'm going to open my calculator to check the percentage, right? So it is showing me plus 20 percentage for year 2012. So we will cross check this percentage with this formula, right? Achievement minus target divided by target multiply 100. Okay, so I open calculator here. So you can see here achievement is 1 lakh 20,000. So here I simply write 1 lakh 20,000, right? Minus target was 1 lakh, right? Divided by target, so target is 1 lakh, right? Multiply 100. So you can see here it is showing 20%, right? So see here plus 20% is, right? So hope you clear how KPI calculate the percentage. So I am showing once again the formula for KPI percentage. So that is achievement minus target divided by target multiply 100, right? So to using same calculation, I write the DAX function for KPI percentage. So you can see here formula for KPI percentage. So what I did here, firstly I stored the sum of target in one variable, then I stored sum of achievement in another variable, and then I minus total target from total achievement as per our formula. So you can see here achievement minus target, right? So this is the difference of achievement minus target, and then I divide difference of achievement minus target with total target. So you can see here achievement minus target divided by target, right? Divided by target here. So and after that I change the data type for KPI measure and I select percentage, right? Because I convert this measure as in percentage. Now I'm going to drag this measure in my table visual. So you can see here it is showing me percentage, right? So you can see here right now it is showing for year 2020 percentage is 14.29%. So you can see here same percentage here. If I select 2010 year, so for 2010 year percentage is minus 87.50%. So you can see here minus 87.50. If I select 2013, so for 2013 percentage is 30%. So you can say percentage, right? So hope you clear how you will calculate KPI percentage and how KPI works in Power BI. Thank you guys.